All right, following the sign. What are we gonna have? Schindler. Please do not go to the 7th floor. You can't tell me what to do. That's some Schindlers. Oh, wow. Wait, this is kind of tall. What the heck? I'll go down to one first.
What floor you got?
12. Thanks. That one doesn't work. This place is taller than I expected. I didn't think it was 12 floors. I thought this place was like 4. But then again, it's dark out at night, so I didn't really see the building. I don't want to let that one go away. There's some sort of train. I don't even know what hotel this is. I think this is a Lady Luck, but why does it have a train? Huh, there's no 8th floor. Ghost call, I guess. Sorry. This is totally different from where I started out. But anyway, watch it close, and the other one's up at 12. So there. And that's it.